Do this sugar and cinnamon ritual tonight. You will receive money and customers as fast as you can. Today, I'm going to be teaching you this powerful ritual called sugar and cinnamon ritual. It has worked powerfully in the areas of lives of a lot of people. And if you do it the way I'm going to be teaching you in this video, this is going to work like fire for you. I really want you to promise that you will watch this video from the start to the end, because at the end of this all, you must come back to share your testimony on this channel. My name is Precious and this is Precious Spiritual TV. Quickly, all you need for this is just 2 items, sugar and cinnamon powder. These 2 items we're going to be using today to bring money into your life, to bring customers to your business. Okay, you can even use this to improve your relationship, your marriage. You can use this to retrieve your money from people that are owing you money. So I'm going to be showing you powerfully how to use this simple ritual to do all of this. So now quickly, grab some cinnamon powder here and some sugar. You need white sugar for this, but if you don't have white sugar, you can use brown sugar. And you need cinnamon powder. Okay, if you have the cinnamon stick, make sure you blend it into into powder form so that you can use it. Now once you have these 2 items, you really need to understand why these items work. What is sugar? What is cinnamon? Sugar is sweet, you use it to sweeten your food, but it does much more than that. It has many spiritual benefits for your life. Okay, in making sure it's sweetening your life, your business, in making sure that money sticks to you, to making sure that money comes in abundance into your life, whether it's in your life, your business, in every area of your life. Cinnamon on the other hand too also does same thing. Okay, cinnamon is a protector, it's an attractor, it brings abundance into your life. It's very, very powerful. When you use this combination, it's worked powerfully. It brings good fortune. They bring good fortune into your life. So quickly, you want to make sure you do this. If you're somebody that has a business and it's becoming very, very hard for you to get customers, whether you have online business, whether you have physical shop and it has been difficult, you have no customers, you have no sales, no money, please get these 2 items. You only need about half teaspoon of this cinnamon and half teaspoon of sugar. But before you use them, make sure you activate them. How do you activate cinnamon? You have to make sure you put them on your window. You can put them by your door, you can put them outside your house. You can also activate them right there inside your bedroom. You can bring this item closer to your nose, okay, and breathe in and out over them. Or you can put them outside your house for 30 minutes to make them powerful, to make them spiritual. Okay, after about 30 minutes, bring it in. If you are only activating it inside your bedroom, just do that for 2 minutes. It works magically. So now, once you have activated it, it's what I call cinnamon activation and sugar activation, or you can say sugar cinnamon activation. It's powerful. So now that you have activated this item, they are no longer ordinary items. They are now very powerful. Whatever you now use them for will work like fire for you. So now this is what you're going to do. If you have a business, what kind of business do you have now? Do you have online business? Is your business online? Do you have a physical shop? Okay, whatever it is, please do this. You will get half teaspoon of this cinnamon and half teaspoon of sugar. You will go to the entrance door of your business. You will sprinkle this item, just sprinkle it at your doorstep of your business. Okay, sprinkle everything there and leave it there for as long as you want. Okay, what this will do is this will make sure that whoever comes into that business, they will fall deeply in with that business. There will be a spiritual bond of connection in such a way that they can't do without coming back to your business. They will keep patronizing you. This is natural. It's not to force anybody, but it's deeply natural because like attract likes. As these items, they are like powerful magnets. They attract money to you. They attract business. Patronage to your business. They make customer flood your business. It's powerful. Okay, you will do that, and also you can also do this in the form of bath, where you will have this cinnamons. You can do one like putting under your door. Then you can also add it in your business and in your bath water. Okay, and just activate it, pray over it, and ask God Almighty to use it to attract money into your life, into your business. You say it, declare it while you are doing your bath. You can do that bath with soap. You can use your towel. You can do all of that, and you can do this on your menses, which is even good. Okay, now all you need to do is just do this maybe a week, like weekly. Do it weekly. In fact, for the first day you start doing this, putting cinnamon and sugar at your doorstep of your business, of your home, or wherever you do your business, whether it is online or physical shop, you start to see changes from that very night, from that very day that you do this. Okay, it's powerful. You can do this once a week, you can do it once a month, or you can do it as the needs arise. It works magically every single time. Now, what if you want to use this to make sure that you improve your relationship or your marriage, to make your partner love you like no other? You can simply just get this half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half teaspoon of sugar, and put them together in like a Ziploc bag. You can put them together in a bowl and just write the name of your partner. Write it on a piece of paper and write what you wanted to happen. You want this person to fall deeply in love with you. You want them to have eyes only for you. You want them to be there with you, okay, to beg and cry to be with you. You want them to call you non-stop. Okay, whatever it is, write it on that paper and keep it together in this cinnamon and sugar, and just keep it for as long as you can. Okay, and start watching what will happen. What will happen will shock you. This person will love you deeply. They will fall deeply in love with you. They will fall madly in love with you. They will call you non-stop. They will dream about you, think about you every step of the way, and it works better than magic when you do that. Okay, what if you want to use this to retrieve your money? You want to use it to retrieve something somebody has stolen from you, or you want to use it to get back the money somebody owed you. Somebody owed you money and they don't even want to pay back that money. It's simple. All you need to do is just use this. Okay, keep this under your tongue. Okay, keep it under your tongue. You don't need too much of this. You only need about a half teaspoon. A pinch of the cinnamon, a pinch of the sugar. Just keep it under your tongue whenever you want to speak to this person to get your money. Okay, whether you are calling them on the phone, or you are calling them, or you are seeing them face to face. Whenever you want to do that, that's when you do that. You keep it under your tongue while you're saying your prayers. You just say today. You call that person's name. You say today, you will pay back the money you owe me today. In the mind. So I use this cinnamon, as I use this sugar and cinnamon ritual. I call forth your name. You pay back money you owed me right now, instantly, immediately, in the mighty name of God. Declare it with every faith within you. It works. And I tell you, this person will pay back your money as fast as you can. You can also put this under your tongue while you want to speak to your partner. Maybe you are going on a date. Okay, you want to see them, or you want to speak to them on the phone. You can do that too. Just put it, just a pinch of cinnamon powder and a pinch of sugar. Just keep it under your tongue like that and say your prayer. Decree what you wanted to happen. Say today, you will propose marriage to me. You will fall deeply in love with me. You will call me non-stop. You will have eyes only for me. You don't say all of that. You see how this start to walk like fire. This person, even if they are stubborn, they will beg to be back with you. They will beg to spend time with you. They will be begging and crying for forgiveness. They will come back with so much love and care. It's powerful. Go do that and come and share your experiences on my channel, because now you may not believe it right now, but as the time it start working for you, you'll be shocked and you'll come back to this channel and come and share your experiences on my channel in the mighty name of God. And you can also use this if you want people, okay, rich people, to beg, to spend money on you, to beg, to favor you. You want rich people to give you money. Do this too. If you're somebody that you're always favoring people, you are doing the little you can to people, but when it gets to your turn, you need help. Nobody's nowhere to be found. Okay, nobody helps you out, right? This is an error. You can correct that by doing this cinnamon or sugar and cinnamon ritual. Just do a bath. Just a bath. You do that bath whenever you want to ask for favor from rich people, or whenever you are going in a gathering, even without asking. Okay, you want your boyfriend to give you money, to spend money on you. You want rich people to spend money on you. Do that. You can do it in the form of bath. You can also add it into your cream, and you'll be using it as a form of cream every time you go. Watch what will happen. Rich people will beg to spend money on you. Rich people will beg to give you money. Okay? Rich people will beg to help you after doing it. It's powerful. It has worked. It is working, and it will continue to work. I really want you to do this. Do all of this and come and share your experiences on my channel. I can't wait to read your testimony regarding this sugar and cinnamon ritual. It's powerful. If this makes any sense to you, just like this video right now. Give this video a thumbs up. Give this video super thanks. Okay, show some love by sharing this video, by liking this video. Share it everywhere. You can share it on your WhatsApp. Let it be a blessing to many people out there. I say congratulations to you in advance, all of you that are doing this with me. And for many of you that are still going to do it soonest, please do this as soon as you can. And come back and share your experiences under this video. I can't wait to read your testimony. I love you, and I know you love me too. Watch this video next. They will definitely bless your life. All right, bye bye.